Welcome to my YouTube channel, English with Neela. Dear children, this video is to help you all with the ALS project. I will talk about why and how do we have to make the project. What all do we have to write or add from the very first to the last page. Let's get started. In English, we have 80 marks theory paper और बाकी 20 marks का internal assessment है, जिसमें speaking and listening skills assessment 10 marks का है और 10 marks का project file और viva है. Why do we have to make the project? As per CBSE guidelines, you have to make this project. You can take any topic related to your chapters or poems from your textbooks. अपनी अगली वीडियो में I will tell you some of the topics for the project. Like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And share this video with your friends also. Children, trust me, it is not at all tough to make this project. Follow the steps one by one. You will be able to complete it on time. Now let's talk about project components and compilation order. Means आपको अपने project की sheets किस order में लगानी है. First we have the cover page. Make it as shown here. On the next page, you have to write the title of your project. Then make the index page. Write in order what you are attaching in this project. Thereafter, we have certificate issued by your subject teacher. और इसके बाद आपको लिखना है acknowledgement. Here you will thank your teacher, your friends, your family for supporting you, helping you in completing this task. Next is the statement of purpose, the aim or the objective behind making this project. इसके बाद आता है हमारा action plan. Write the steps one by one. You can write in points or you can make a flow chart or you can use any other design that you like. Coming up next is the most important thing, and that is the driving question. Driving question will give you the aim or the objective of making the project. Write only one question based on your topic. Then we have to write the report in 1000 words. Write the detailed action plan. You will write this report only after completing your project. और आपका ये जो report है, इसमें आपको listening and speaking elements add करने हैं. And it should include your viewpoints about the topic. Remember, your viva will be based on this report only. After this, you will start writing your content in your project file. Project can be research-based, interview-based, or it can be a script or a story. Thereafter, you will attach the questionnaire if the project is interview-based. Then you will write the complete interview, questions as well as the answers. Analysis or conclusion is your choice. इसके बाद आपको अपने इंटरव्यू और रिसर्च की पिक्चर्स भी लगानी है एज द प्रूफ कि आपने ये प्रोजेक्ट खुद बनाया है. Here your project is complete, but you have to write two important things after this. First is reflection. In this you will write your strengths and weaknesses while working on the project. What did you learn from the project? And second is bibliography. Write the names of the books that you consulted and the links of the websites that you referred to. Dear friends, this is my first video. I need your support, your encouragement. इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें ताकि वो भी इस वीडियो से थोड़ा फायदा उठा सकें. I will come back with more videos on topics related to the project and the chapters from your textbooks. Thanks for watching my video.